Shalom, tribe. This is Miriam, and my lesson 11, is going to be a little different from the other 10 that I have prepared, especially for the tribe, but certainly beneficial. It has an important message for students that need some inspiration, something new, and wanting to learn something different. So, for those that have been still struggling with the alphabet or just beginning to learn the alphabet, new grammar is around the corner. This will help you understand how important it is for you not to skip your alphabet and try to go on to other lessons because the alphabet is the basics for everything, knowing your consonants, your vowels, um, knowing the grammar. Um, it's vital if you want to succeed and get further into other areas of learning biblical Hebrew. For those that have been a bit laid back in your fundamentals, yet have a desire to learn how to sing God's word, perhaps this basic intro lesson may inspire you to speed your learning so you can get to learn the Troupe and how to sing it. There are certain things that I would like to point out to you first. The art of chanting the Torah dates back more than 2,000 years, and it's presented in numerous sources and the Talmud. It's very ancient. It's a very ancient skill of chanting. And when we speak or read out loud, we know that we must speak clearly and be able to be understood. But there are tools that we use naturally, and we're unaware of certain things. First, you pause. Okay, it comes natural to you, right? First, you pause at certain appropriate times. Naturally, your voice inserts the commas and the periods so people can understand the words you're speaking. If you pause at the wrong place, the wrong word may be, or should I say, the word may be conveyed, may convey a totally different meaning. Well, and I wanted to mention the primary function of trope. It emphasizes which syllable of the word is to be emphasized. So, another example of emphasizing the wrong syllable is the word invalid. Imagine you say invalid, okay, which means you're incapacitated, as opposed to saying invalid. Big difference. So you're emphasizing the first two letters of that word, invalid, as opposed to emphasizing the middle of that word, invalid, invalid. So it's similar to music. Music has also a pickup note, and in trope you also have you may have two pickup notes or three pickup notes, but there is a similarity. Again, the biblical cancellation system consists of 28 symbols that tell you exactly how to punctuate the verses, which syllable to stress on each word, and how to chant each word or phrase. So let's begin here. The first example that I am going to use to teach you how to sing just one, teach you how to sing using one trope mark. So first, let's look at it. All right. So these are vowels. Here's a vowel. That's a vowel. And here's a trope mark. Call it cancellation mark. There's another one. And these are all trope marks. Here we go. There's another one. There we go. All of these are the same. Not to be confused with all these here. These are vowel markers that help you know how to pronounce the words. Okay. So notice that it actually looks like this one is, it looks almost like a comma, but reversed, because our commas are done this way, from right to left. This one is from top to bottom, right to left, and this is top to bottom, left to right. Okay. So how do you pronounce this? So in the word ma, here at the top right, you have this cancellation mark. And this is the sound that you get when you sing it. That's the sound that that mark has. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Okay, let's go to the next one. Same thing. Ta-da-da. 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 So how do we put that together? If I am going to start from the first letter, how am I going to bring this sound into it? Well, you just pronounce the letter sh, and the next one. This is a mem. M. And I believe, well, this is covering, the circle is covering the vowel marker, which is a straight line across. Okay. And we would say shma, shma. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Here is that same cancellation mark or trope mark. And we would say et. To the next one. Well, this is the one we just did. Here we go. We can see that vowel marker now. Shma. And this letter is silent. Shma. Okay, so here we go. So remember, I was trying to explain that a trope may have like two parts. Could be at the beginning that would help you get ready. So there are two syllables here. And it's almost as if someone is running, but before they run, they have to get ready and they have to stop, like a break, before they get to the cancellation. So, how do we use that cancellation and put it together with these two letters? So we say, hello, hello, hey, hello. See, it's hello. It's straight. I'm not singing up. I'm not singing down. It's hello, hey. To the next one. And it's similar to music in the sense that in music we have a pickup note. So we can just say that these are two pickup notes, okay, in order to get to this. So we start here. Hello. Hey, nu. Hello. Hey, nu. Okay. Well, that's it for now. I hope that this was interesting, and for the next lesson, I am going back to reading biblical Hebrew, and I will go over and review some of the grammar. David has given you a lot of grammar, and so there is no reason for me to repeat what he has already taught you. But I go over some of the basics that is needed in order to read, and I've done that. So if you like this lesson, and you would like me to do another lesson like this, let me know. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up and let me know. Okay. Shalom, lehitraot.